Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to your channel #Mannu. So today I'm going to review and unbox the all new Phillips all-in-one trimmer 700 series MG7715. We bought it from Amazon for about 3600 and I'll share its link in the description. So this product comes with a 2-year warranty worldwide and you can use it for your grooming face, hair and body as well. And this is 100% shower proof, cordless, and you can charge within 5 minutes. So let's unbox this and see what all you get in the box. So in the box you get this manual, a warranty card which is around 2 years of warranty worldwide. You get this pouch. You can use it when you are traveling. Along with this you get a charger and its cord is also of very good length. So you get a lot of head trimmers, so you can adjust them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 types of head trimmers and one brush to clean all those hairs in the trimmer. And this is the main body of the trimmer. So this is nice sleek body, and here this is the charging port of this. So here is the on and off button. Just press it and it gets started, and you can hear the voice also. And if you want to off it, just click on this once again. So how to attach the heads of this trimmer? You should just plug it out. This is the nose and ear head trimmer. So you should just insert and tuck it inside and you're good to go. So this attachment is for your body shaving. And this attachment is for your precision trimming. You can just make your you can trim out your mustache, beard, and your and for this sort of attachments you should attach the head end. You can adjust the volume of your hair also. And you have this measuring lens also, 3 mm, 4 mm, 5 mm, 6 and 7 mm. This is good for a short beard trimming and styling your hair as well. So altogether in this box you get a warranty card, manual, a pouch, trimmer, nose and ear head trimmer, body trimmer, shaving heads for edging and contouring, short and long beard styling, and you can adjust from 0.5 mm to 16 mm length settings. You can charge this trimmer for 1 hour. You can use it for around 120 minutes. And it's sleek and cordless, and it checks hair density to maintain constant cutting performance. And for your precaution, please don't use the trimmer with the plug in it. When you're charging the trimmer, please unplug it and then use this. And Lastly, if you like my review or my unboxing, please like, share and subscribe my channel #Mannu, and thank you.